You need to put that other game away with the cards. Okay, so... See the light in her eyes.
They're laughing at me.
Why are you laughing at me? What's so funny? Why is that funny?
Good morning, everybody. I guess I should say good afternoon. It's almost 2 o'clock right now. The girls have had dance this morning, and then we dropped them off at school. And I'm about to go in a few minutes early because they have a fun little Mother's Day surprise for me at school. And the teacher told me to be there at 2 o'clock. So I'm really excited to see what it is. This is like what motherhood dreams are made of, is this time of year when your kids are singing you the songs and writing you the papers and all that kind of stuff. I cannot wait. Let's go see what they have in store for me. That was super cute. They've got a present for me. Oh, did you get me a necklace? Oh, I love that. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, can mommy put them on? Can you put it on me? Oh, let's see. Put it on, Mom. Oh, I love it. Thank you. Girls, I love that. That was so cute. Okay. Have you girls been working on that song for a long time, Mindy? Okay, look at these cute photos they made for us with their handprints. Sometimes you get discouraged because I am so small and always leave my fingerprints on furniture and walls. But every day I'm growing, I'll be grown up someday, and all those tiny fingerprints will surely fade away. So here's a final handprint just so you can recall exactly how my fingers looked when I was very small. Aww, that's so cute. All right, guys, that was so cute. I got a couple Mother's Day necklaces here. 2 of them wanted to wear theirs. I got to wear 2 of them.
My feet is wet.
Back to momming. But that was really, really sweet, and I loved that little song, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. The little poems and the handprints. I love it so much. What's going on out here, girls? Oh, you sitting on the new tires?
Got the new tires, Mom. We gotta fix this flat that you drove into the ground.
Was not me driving when it happened.
It was me.
Tyson destroyed the tire on this. Now, we did buy this thing used, and the tires were like about ready to be needing to be replaced anyway, so this was definitely expected. So we got 4 new tires, and Dad is putting them on now so that we can drive the golf cart again. We have been missing this golf cart. Tyson, did you realize how much you would like be spoiled and realize that you need this golf cart?
I need this golf cart. I've been using it for yard work. I love this thing.
Oh my gosh. Seriously, the tire went flat on it and we were like, oh no, what are we supposed to do?
Now I'm hauling all these bags to the backyard trees. I was putting my plants and trees on it and then just driving them to where I needed them. So yeah, this is, we need this golf cart.
We're a little spoiled.
It was funny because Nanny Ash came out the other day, had everybody loaded up, and then asked me where the key was, and I said, did you look at the back tire? And then she looked at the back tire, and it was...
Yeah, you're not going anywhere.
I was like, yeah, you're not going anywhere.
See, even Ash was sad it was gone. We love the golf cart. They're laughing at me.
Why are you laughing at me? What's so funny? Why is that funny? You think it's funny when Dad struggles? That's funny?
Say, yeah, Dad, that's hilarious.
Daddy.
Say, Dad, quit trying to be a manly man.
I am a manly man.
All right, you guys, we've got the golf cart fixed. The girls are saying goodbye to Henry. And of course, I've been missing this thing, so we had to come for a drive.
Look at this.
The girls are saying bye to everybody. All right, we just drove right over here.
To the park.
To the park. The girls requested the park. We went to go get the mail. Okay. We went to go get the mail. Scarlett's just putting her shoes on right here. And then the girls were like, hey, I want to go to the park. And I was like, okay. And then look, we just drove the golf cart right up next to the park. That's what's awesome about golf carts. Look at this monkey. Ah! Can you swing and grab the next one? Let go with one hand and put your other hand to the next one. Hold on with one hand. Okay, now pull this one over to this one.
I can't.
You can do it. Don't ever say you can't. We don't say can't in this family.
Let me have
You can do whatever you put your mind to, Sister Bear.
Hey, Mommy, how about you get me to that part? She can do together of one.
Oh, Evie's gonna try, okay? Now, Evie, get your back arm and swing it to the front one.
I can't.
Yo, you can. You quit saying can't. Take this one and swing it over here to this one.
No, I can't.
You can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. Don't you say can't. That is a naughty 4-letter word in our house.
I can.
You can do whatever you put your mind to. Always. Look! I just gave Scarlett a little bit of coaching and here she goes. It's okay. Now do this one. Here. Now, let go of that one and put it there. You did good. You made it 4.
Mommy, help me.
4. Okay, hold on. We're doing Scarlett first. Okay, now let go of this one and put it over here.
No.
Hurry. Ah, okay. Mom helped you there. Now you do it yourself.
I can't.
Hurry, do it. You can. You can. Look, Mom's not even supporting you. I'm just putting your hand where it's supposed to go. You're doing it. You're doing it. You're doing it.
Mommy, help
Little
me come
stinkers. You can they can so do this. I'm like not even touching her. She's just doing it. She just wants me right there for support, huh? All right, Mom will stay here. Look, you did it all by yourself, Barley. Yeah. Okay, go, Ev. This hand over here. Yep. And now the other hand. Yes. You got it. You got it. Now this hand. This hand. Here. Yes. Now this hand. This hand. You can. Okay. You did really good.
Help me.
Oh, you want turns? Okay. All right. Here goes Monkey May. If anybody can do this fast, it's gonna be Indy. Mom's right here. You're fine. Hey, now this arm. She freaks out if I step. I'm not even touching you. You can do this. Stinkers. Stinkers.
Watch, I can do this even better than that.
You can do that even better than that. I can do this even better than that.
Ready, steady, go. Mommy, I did a monkey bars. I did a highest monkey.
Yeah, you went all the way across, huh? Are you girls doing, what are you playing?
Lava.
Lava. That's all they ever want to play now is lava. Let's play lava. I think it's so cute. All right, the girls got cold, so we're headed home. Yeah?
Mommy, can I have this birthday cake?
Yeah, she has the American Girl doll magazine. And these girls, I got one behind me and one on my lap. And we are headed home because these girls are freezing. Girls, is it cold?
Yeah.
How cold?
Little lot.
Little lot? Yeah.
Ah! You are nice. And you are naughty.
Are you saying nice things to the nice one?
Yeah, I'm the naughty one.
And what does that mean? Do you know what these mean?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know.
See how this one's all brown and caca? And this one's all white and nice? This is the one we've been talking naughty to. So that shows you that when you say mean words, look at what it's doing to the rice. Can you imagine what mean words do to other people, like our sisters or friends? See, it makes them brown and dirty.
Let's do this one.
Yep, that one's white. So that one just looks like plain rice still. You guys, we've been doing this experiment for 6 weeks now. You just take cooked rice, put it into containers. That's it. Okay, and you just talk really nice to one of them every single day, several times a day, and you talk mean to the other one. It is literally turning, like, can you guys see this? Like, look at the difference. They both have the exact same amount of rice in them. That one is like all watery and just looks gross. And this one looks all the normal. So I don't know whoever taught us sticks and stones will break your bones, but words will never harm you. That right there proves that words harm people.
I know how to open it.
So you always want to be nice to people and say nice words. Okay, girls, hey, do we say nice words?
Yeah.
Always, huh, Ezzy?
Yeah.
Oh, the door's bell ring. All right, guys, I was gonna vlog and tell you guys about what I'm making for dinner tonight because it's so easy and super good. So in my Instant Pot, I just put some frozen chicken, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, and a block of cream cheese, salt and pepper. That's it, and then I just hit the poultry button. And I'm gonna let that cook up. In my other Instant Pot, I'm gonna cook up some rice. And then we are gonna make Hawaiian haystacks. So I am going to pull out some pineapple tidbits and some beans and just a couple other things that we can just throw on top of it. And it's one of my most favorite, like, easiest meals ever. Promise you, even if you just have these, that's like all I eat it with. I just put the chicken over the rice. I put pineapples on it and it is so good. Also, you guys, Uncle Bo has been here making major progress on this playhouse. I have to show you. Look at this. It's like an actual house. So these two over here are done because those little things right there are going to be windows. And then the one up front is going to be windows. So it's completely boarded on the inside. And now he's just working on the roof. He has done some major progress today and I'm so excited. Okay, you guys have to listen to Evie talk. It's so cute.
Okay. If you want to play this game, boot. And I'm running boat. Hey, sis, can I play this game? Yeah, but you need to pick that other game away. Okay, so I did already. But we didn't play this game yet.
It's okay. She will share.
You need to pick that one away. He'll guide you. He's not letting me. So that doesn't work.
Okay, so that's what Evie always says. Okay, so.
Okay, so B. So let's start with B. Yeah, you can do B. So do B. There's an A first. This says fish. That says the one stop.
Evie, can you tell Mom how to play that game?
What?
I don't know how to play that game. How do you play the game?
Okay, so you turn the letters in front, I and O, and then you put the card in the back, and then you see what picture comes next.
That was a very good explanation of how to play that game. Good job, Ev. Then you put the card at the back and see what picture's next.
Okay, so here's an eye. Eye goes in there.
Okay, so
And here's the that was mine. Goes right here. And here's the eye goes right here.
good job.
All right, guys, Mom just cooked us a delicious dinner, Hawaiian haystacks. We are pumped, we're excited, we're starved, and me and the girls just went and they've got a new drink at Fizz. Girls, what's it called? What's the new drink called? What is it? Oh my gosh, you guys excited? You want it? Yeah, I think they want it. Scarlett gets to pick hers first. Okay, they've all got their wiggly worms. They're getting their straws in there. What do you think? You got your wiggly worm out first. Oh my gosh. So it's so funny because when the girls are out in the garden with me, they're always, we're digging in the dirt and they're always asking if there's wiggly worms in it. They get that, of course, from Peppa Pig. I felt it. They get that from Peppa Pig, wiggly worms. And so we saw on the menu that they had a wiggly worm drink and we had to get it, huh, girls? How does that wiggly worm taste? Kind of like a wiggly worm. Yuck! All right, the girls are pounding dinner. Evie laid out everybody's placemat. Mom bought some new napkins. What, you want more? Beans or olives or pineapple? Oh, gravy. What is she pointing to? Oh, the beans? Is that what you want?
Beans?
More of the beans? Okay, so as I was saying, they are pounding their dinner. They are loving this meal. Mom, I forgot we made this the other day and everybody like pounded it and now they're doing it again. This is great. Good job, girls.
Azzy. Good night, Azzy. Can you tell everybody, say good night?
Good night.
Oh, say I love you. You're funny. Oh, she's coming at you. Coming at you. Say subscribe. See you tomorrow. Gross.